Ooh. Okay, there is a scores against every movie. Let's just print it. Yeah, baby. Print score. Uh-oh. I remember typing tutor game where we try to type. I was in 5th class. Try to type a coding and Tiger was running after me for catching me something, and when he caught, it make sound like uh-oh. Okay, it was boring, right? I know. Score and sort and again score dot reverse. Here we go. So same equal to that, and now return score. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So if you provide, okay, that is n. If you provide the limit for how much related item do you need. Okay, for example, if you didn't provide. Now we, as you see, that is the similarity. Okay, so this is the top match related item of to the Superman. You mean do pre-letting. We know that this similarity are considered because there is same rate or whatever. How does it calculate? We don't care now. But the important thing that I want to mention here is this is top matches, top related. Alright, this one and this one. So this one mean that they are worse. They are not even related. Means maybe the person who have watched this movie haven't also watched Superman. So that's why it sometimes go to the negative side. Theoretically saying, but equation, if you go to the equation, you will find out how does it calculate. We have already calculated everything. But negative mean that is worse, and positive mean they are going to be match. If you are graphically look at it, when this line is straight, plotted, when that straight line is plotted between the dots straight, this means they have no similarity and no negativity, no dissimilarity. If you go to the diagonal just in this way, it means that it is a positive. Mean there is similarity, there is common rating between two person. And if you see this, so it may means that it goes to the negative side. There is no similarity between two person or two movies or two item, whatever you want to consider. Depend on you. Now let's come back to the code. Okay, as we have earlier mentioned, we will always look for. Okay, that is calculate top match. Now we will go to the top match, that is score equal to top match item data and item and n. Oh, working. Oh my god, working, man, working. Print score. Ooh, okay, let's just put this every score in the result. Alright, score, that will be labeled. Okay, now we need to return the top. Now we also this is called, what we name it, pre-computation. So in pre-computation we can just keep it independent of loop. We have stored all the information here, and it will I will show you how I will show you now that. So last time we have just calculated the similarity between the person and item, but this time we are going to find the similarity between the item and items. But if you look at this is the movie, right? Superman 2 preview. This is the 3 movies. Okay, this is the rating. So we just calculate every movie similarity related to the snake movie. Related score, that is already calculated in a pre-computed, where we have already calculated in this function. So we will not need to recalculate, as I said, because this is item based. So what will the basic thing we need here is, the movies that are rated in Dupree. Okay, all the movies that are rated in Dupree. So let's just find out. So def get okay, def get recommendation recommended items rebuild data related movie and person. Okay. As we know that pre-computation is the parameter of this function, so we just pass the pre-computation to it by assigning it into the simple variable. Here we go. Okay, now we just call this function so that it can be interpreted easily. And okay, here is another thing, that who is the person. Let's just make it to be related net movies. इसको हम करते हैं sim होते print data and person. Okay, okay, so we need just to ignore this, because we need to ignore. Okay, so we will just find the relatedness between the movies that have rated. These movies are not watched by Toby, so we need to remove these movies. How? Okay, let me show you how. User rating, okay, and movie and rate. For movie, rate in data, person, items, if rate not equal to 0. Is that so? Let's print again. User rating. Here we go. Okay, now if you want to check any movie in it, it is hard to find out if in user rating, hello, not working. Okay, but if you rating list, no, this is not list, it's a dictionary. User rating, hello. Okay, it's okay, now it's working. So we need to create two variable, score, that will be temporary, inside loop, and total, not inside loop, for our all, sim, total sim. Okay, for movie and rating in user rating dot items, print movie and rating, working. All right, so we have to find the related movies against it, the top, from the topmost. Yeah, you are no, we have already find out and calculate the similarities. We will just put one simple condition here. If the movie, that is okay, we are working now. For find similarity, as we have calculated in the pre-computed, this will be retrieved from pre-computed. Okay, similarity in related movie dot, okay, movie, print similarity sub movie. Here we go. right, this is here, come on. Okay, now we have to calculate the similarity of those movements with the rating. We have to calculate the similarity of those movies with its rating which are not watched by 2B. Okay, now we have to print simply if sub movie in user rating continue. All right, now what? Weighted sum of rating time similarity. All right, score set default, and that is sub movie is 0. If it is not, if there is no record of sub movie in the score, then set to 0, else keep retrieve the old one. Score sub movie, okay, plus equal to similarity cross rating. Okay, I can understand. Now sum of all the, so we have, what is this? We are just doing this, generating this. All right, we just do this cross this cross this, and this cross this. Okay, yes, okay, that is a total, and that is another total. So this divided by this will be this. Okay, so sum of all similarity total sim set default sub movie equal to 0, and total sub movie plus equal to similarity. Now doing this part, this multiply by this multiply by this, and there will, so it will have rank for item. Okay, now divide each total score by total weighting to get an average rankings. All right, score total item specific, that is the related total mean retrieved by this name will be total by total. Okay, okay, that is the label mean according, that is just dictionary, or you can say this will be the score, and with the left side it will have this score of the movie, or whatever you want to say for it. Now for item score in scores. All right, here we go, the next mistake. Ooh, that is creepy. Okay, now again return the rankings from highest to lowest. I know, ranking dot sort ranking that is the ranking. The main problem with the user-based collaborative filtering was it just to find a similarity for every similar between the persons, okay, between the persons inside the loop, which was very tight, which could be very problematic in the future if your data set is increased day by day in huge databases like Amazon or whatever. But the thing that need to be noticed here is that that we just pre-calculated this and we just retrieve, and there is no calculation for similarity base. The next, and here is the simple logic that need to be implemented. So this is item-based collaborating system that good in that case where you have to already keep record of all the data in the perspective of similar to similar item and similar to similar person or item person or person item. That's it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Let's see you in another video.